So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix VoLTE not showing in your Samsung Galaxy A17. So guys, VoLTE is not showing or SD call not working on your Samsung A17. So this video explain how to enable. First, you enable VoLTE in your setting. Okay. So you simply go to the settings. In setting, go to the option of connection. In connection, guys, here you see the option of SIM card, and when you select the SIM card, so when you insert the SIM card here in the call section, you get the option of VoLTE. Okay, first thing. Another thing is, guys, check your network support the VoLTE option or not. Okay, sometime the network is not supported VoLTE facility, so make sure before you purchasing the new SIM card, and if you are already have. Okay, then guys, you move to the another step, which is reset your APN. For resetting the APN, you follow the same step as I'm already told you. Just go to option connection, SIM card, then select your SIM card and you reset your APN setting. Another thing is, guys, you simply reset your network setting. For resetting the network setting, just go back and guys, go to the option of general management. In general management, reset, and here you see the option of reset mobile settings, and simply tap on the option of reset. Okay, another thing is, guys, you update your software. So guys, try to connect with the Wi-Fi and your cellular network and update your device. So update device, simply open settings, go to the option of software update and update using mobile data and Wi-Fi, and you update your network. So these are the basic things that you can done to resolve this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.